In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build an AI appointment setter chatbot for a dental company. Now, this chatbot will be able to answer any questions about the company, qualify the leads that come in the way, and also it will be able to book appointments all on autopilot. All right, and it's going to run 24/7. Now, I'll be building this chatbot for our dental company on their WhatsApp account. So I'm going to be showing you guys a quick demo of how this works. All right, so I've already built a chatbot and it's for this company. It's Montclair Dental Spa. So it's a pretty good website. They have a pretty good website, and I've used this information on their website as the knowledge base for the chatbot. So any questions the leads ask, it's going to pull out the information from the website and then answer each of the questions on WhatsApp. All right, so let me just show you guys a quick demo of how this actually works, so you guys can understand how you can build this up yourself. Okay, all right, so now I'm in the WhatsApp account and I've set up the chatbot in this account. So let's just start with a hello. It's gonna take a couple of seconds to respond, and after that we can just start asking it some questions. Okay, nice. So let's just ask it, what services do you guys offer? What services do you guys offer? We offer a comprehensive range of dental services, dental implants. Okay, nice. That's a pretty good response. So let's just ask it another question. Where are you guys located? Where are you guys located? It's gonna take a couple of seconds to respond. Okay, so our locations are Montclair Dental Spa, we're an office. Okay, it's not a bad response. Now let's just say I want to book an appointment. Now here it's going to qualify me as a lead by asking my name, email, and phone number. Alright, so great. I'd be happy to help you book an appointment. Please provide me with the following details. Now I've already copied my information. All right, so thank you, Manzarul. Your details have been successfully captured. Now you can schedule an appointment over here. So if I click on the link, it will take me straight to the booking page, and now I'll be able to book an appointment from here. All right, so now it has taken me to the landing page, and I can actually book an appointment easily from here. Now, I've also created a Google Sheet list. Now, as you guys can see, the information that I've put there, it has captured the information and has automatically stored this into a Google Sheet. Now, this can be a pretty good CRM system. So if you have a lot of leads coming in your company and you want a pretty automatic CRM system, then you can actually set it up in this way. So just connect your agency with Make, and then after that, whenever the lead comes in, it will automatically integrate, send the leads to the CRM. Right? If this sounds confusing, then I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step of how you can build this up by yourself and set it up on your own. So let's just head over to Agentive. This is a platform where you can build powerful chatbots. So I've already set one up. Now let's just start with a new agent. So after you head over to agentive.com, you're gonna have to select on create new agent, and after that you'll be seeing something like this. So all right, so here is the prompt that I've set up for this chatbot. So I'll be sharing the prompt with you guys. You can find the prompt in the description down below. So if you guys search for the description, you'll see a document. This document has the prompt, the schema, the tool I used to set up the capture lead automation on Make. Okay, and basically this is the knowledge base from the website. So it was actually answering all of the information from this knowledge base, and it's basically scraping all the information. So for example, if I asked it when I asked it what services are you guys offering, it's actually extracting the information from here, and then it's pulling it out and then send it out to WhatsApp. So that's exactly how it was working. Anyways, so let's just head over to Agentive. So this was the prompt I used. So you're a highly skilled and professional chatbot designed to assist with lead generation and appointment sheeting for a dental clinic. Your primary responsibilities include answering lead questions, lead qualification, appointment scheduling. After collecting the name, email, and phone number from the list, you will run the capture lead tool to send the data you just collected. Your goal is to provide a friendly, helpful, and professional experience to all users, guiding them smoothly through the process while representing the data and cleaning in a positive light. Now it's very important that you structure your prompt properly, and it has to be concise. So if you give it unnecessary information, then it might just lose track and just give incorrect responses, right? So in that case, this was our prompt, and like I said, you guys can find the prompt in the description. You can just simply copy it and try it out yourself. And so this was the knowledge base I used. This is the knowledge base. uh, Now if you guys are wondering how I actually extracted all of the information from the website, uh, from the website. So I've actually created a video, my last video, where you can find out how you can actually extract all the information from a website and put it on a single document, just like this one, as a knowledge base. All right, you can just find it out in the top right corner, I guess. So, anyways, so this is the automation I built up. Now, this automation, what it does basically is it visits each and every link. Let me just hit over here. So first, what I do is basically, to get the knowledge base, I just copy this link. After copying the link, I head over to a website called vtools.link extractor. So I'm just gonna paste the link over here, then click on extract. If you guys are confused what I'm doing over here, I'm just showing you guys how you can create a proper knowledge base for your chatbot. It's very important that you have a functional knowledge base that has all the relevant information for your chatbot, so that it can absolutely pull the right information when it's necessary. All right, so after I click on extract, it gives me all the links there are in the website. So for example, if the it just scraped through all the links there are in this website, and then it has just given me over here. Now what I'm gonna do is just click on download, and then what I did was just extract it on a Google Sheet. All right, you can just click on file, then import. Then after I click on import, you can just go head over to upload, and then just upload the CSV file which just downloaded it from here. And after downloading the file, after importing the file, you'll be able to see all the list there is based on the website. Now after putting up this list, you'll have to connect this with make.com to trigger this, right? So we're gonna head over to Google Sheets, and then this Google Sheets, we're gonna connect this Google Sheets with this link, with this Google Sheet. All right, so after connecting it with the Google Sheets, we're going to set up this automation where we connect it with an iterator, HTTP request, text parser. So the HTTP request, it will basically visit each of the links one by one, which you guys are seeing over here. So it's going to visit all of the links one by one, and after that, hold on. So after that, it's going to say we send out to the text parser. So the text parser is going to cut out all the HTML tags, all the HTML information, and then it's going to just basically compress all the information, and then the compressed data will be passed out to ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will also strip down all the unnecessary information and then pass it out to Google Docs. All right. Now I know this might sound a bit confusing, but I have put out a very detailed video on my last one. You can just find out in the description. And yeah, so after setting up this automation, you can get a pretty advanced knowledge base in just a click. So once this automation is set up, after you hit the run once button, you can actually get a fully detailed knowledge base of a company just within a second. All right, now this is how it actually works. So I'm not gonna waste any time over this automation, so let's just head over to agentif. Okay, so after running the automation on make.com, this is the output that I got. Now what I did was I just simply put the output over here, just click on create new, and then you'll just create a knowledge base, and after that you can just simply upload the document which you just use. So, and after that, we're gonna have to connect the tools. So now this is an important part, because now if you guys are wondering how was it able to send all the information to the Google Sheets, so this is where the tool comes in. So I've already shared the tool in the document, and you can find it out in the description. So this is where it is, appointment setter schema. So I've created a schema using ChatGPT. So now what it does is basically, When the chatbot connects the name, email, and phone number, it triggers a tool, and the tool contains the webhook. So you can actually set the webhook on make.com, and after the webhook is set up, and whenever the name, email, and phone number is collected from the conversation, it's going to run this tool. It's going to run this tool, and then it'll say be automatically send the data to make, or using the webhook. As you guys can see, I've set this up. So after setting up on the webhook, it's going to send it out to Google Sheets, and then it will automatically appear on the Google Sheets. All right. So this is basically how it works. So yeah, that's it. Now let me just show you guys how you can set this up. So for setting up a prompt, you can just simply just copy up my prompt and set it up over here. The knowledge base, I explained how you can set up the knowledge base. There are various ways you can set up the knowledge base. So you can actually upload HTML files, just like press on Control S or Command S, and after that you can actually save the entire website as an HTML file, and you can upload them one by one, or maybe you can upload them as a doc file. Now I personally suggest uploading them as doc files, as these are the most accurate form of knowledge bases. And then we're gonna connect the tool. All right, so to connect the tool, we're gonna head over to my document, and after that you'll have to just simply copy this. And one more thing, so you'll have to copy the webhook URL over here. So after copying the webhook URL, you'll have to paste it over here. So as you can see, there's a URL key over here, and now inside of this double quotation marks, inside of the string value, you'll just have to paste it. Make sure the quotations are over there still. So you'll simply have to just uh, paste your webhook URL over here, and after that you're good to go. You can just simply copy this entire schema and then paste it in agentive. So after copying this, let me just show you how this works. So let me just get rid of this, and then select a tool provider. So create new tool. I'm just gonna simply paste the schema over here, and as you guys can see, it's ready, it's good to go. Now if I click on create tools, it'll run properly. All right, so it's all set up. Now you guys might want to customize the schema based on your needs. So maybe instead of asking for name, email, and phone numbers, maybe you could ask specific questions, and you want to track all the information, all the data, right? So in that case, you can actually uh, send this prompt to chat gpt, and then ask it to change the prompt according to your needs. Now I've already set up a prompt for that, so you can simply just copy the prompt that I've given you, paste it to chat gpt, and then you'll get a response. So let me just show you how this works. So this is the prompt that I've set up for you guys. So paste the schema is above over here. So you're just gonna simply copy and paste the schema on chat gpt, and after that you're going to put the as ChatGPT according to this. Just simply copy this and as ChatGPT according to your needs. So this is a schema for a function calling for custom GPT I'm building. This tool is for capturing leads. You will modify the tool according to my needs. As you can see, it is currently taking name, email, and phone numbers as required parameters. I want you to change the parameters to entire desired inputs here. So if you're looking for specific questions which you want to keep track of and what were the responses, then you can just put the questions over here. All right, and after that maybe just it could be another information, such as I don't know, like their address, or maybe any other information about the leads. So you can just ask, tailor it in that way, just put it over here, and after that you must maintain the format and structure of the schema. Simply just change the required parameters only. Simply and copy and paste this, nothing else. Just change the values over here according to your needs. If you want to modify the schema, that is. If you don't want to modify the schema, then you can just simply copy and paste this, and you're good to go. And yeah, you can also use optional parameters if you want to pass on extra information to the webhook. So basically, if you want extra, like if you want more information other than name, email, and phone number, you can also ask ChatGPT to create a schema that. And you can also use optional parameters to pass on extra information. So if you want any other information other than name, email, or phone number, then you can simply ask ChatGPT, and just ask it that I want you to include this information as an optional parameter. So after that, it will also be included in the webhook once it's triggered. All right. So that's basically it. You can just simply copy this prompt and just paste it in your agentive tools, and you can set this up. After that, you're gonna have to click on publish. Click on yes, I'm sure, and now you can actually stage this up. Oh, so to set up this webhook on make.com, you'll simply have to just create a webhook just like this, and then after that, create a webhook. Then click on OK. Just create a connection, and after that, you'll just have to connect this. Select on Add Rows, and after clicking on Add Rows, you'll have to select your spreadsheet which you want to use, name, email, and phone number, all of that, and after that. Alright, so now let's just test this upon agentive. So let's just start with hi. Now it's gonna respond. Nice. Now let's when I ask it, I want to book an appointment. I want to book an appointment. It's going to. Alright, so I just paste the information over here. So I'm just gonna paste the information. And after it has captured the information, it's going to run the tool. So yeah. So after it has captured the tool, it's going to give me the appointment, the link to the booking appointment. So unless it has qualified me as a lead, which means it hasn't captured my name, email, and phone number, it will not give me the link to the appointment page. So yeah, that is how it works. Now it's just you'll have to just simply publish this, deploy this into your WhatsApp. Now you can actually deploy this on your website if you want. So there's a custom code for that also. So you can actually deploy this on your website. But if you want to deploy this on WhatsApp, then you'll need a business account for that. And after you have a business account, you can actually set this up pretty quick. So if you click on deactivate deployment and then click on connect WhatsApp, now you'll need to create a Meta at Google account. So let's continue on Manzar Luxury. Get started. Now as it has been set up already, so I'm gonna click on next. Now you'll have to just go through a couple of extra steps if you do not have a business account, but if you do have, then you're good to go. So I'm just gonna click on next. Select a category. I'm just maybe go for IT services or something. Let's just say professional services. And after that, I'm just gonna put on my phone number, and after that it'll be good to go. So the setup will be officially complete. And after deploying it on your WhatsApp, you can actually use it. So whenever a customer comes in, it's going to respond to each and every inquiries automatically. It'll also book appointments, and it'll be a fully functioning AI appointment search chatbot. So in that way, you don't hire an extra VA for that, and yeah, it's just a very efficient way to replace someone like that. And it's going to basically answer all the inquiries and book appointments all on autopilot. Now if you want to make this a bit more functional, then in that case, what you can do is, after connecting your webhook with Google Sheets, you can actually set it up with ChatGPT. And then after setting up with ChatGPT, maybe you can just send it an extra email or something. So you can just connect it with Gmail. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna send an email based on that. So it's just an example that I'm trying to show you guys. So if you want to include a lot more functionalities, I mean, you can do so many things with Make. So if you want to send an extra email, once a form has been once a row has been added on Google Sheets, once any information has been captured, so in that case, you can actually connect it with ChatGPT. Just pass the information to ChatGPT, which it was captured on Google Sheets, and then just send the following information to Gmail. So in that case, you will be able to send uh, an email straight up whenever a lead has been captured on Google Sheets. Right now, the goal of this video was to show you guys how you can build an AI appointment setter chatbot absolutely from scratch and deploy this on your WhatsApp. So I hope I was successful in showing you guys how you can set this up properly. Now, if you guys found this video valuable, then please do hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want any other content related to AI and automations, then yeah, just leave it down in the comments down below. I'll check it out and I'll just check it out and make a video for you guys later. Anyways, guys, thank you for sticking till the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.